Hello and welcome to Tech Checker. Today I'm going to be showing you this mini dash camcorder which records in full 1080p with a 150-degree wide angle 2-inch LCD disc screen. It's got basically what I said, it's got a video output as well, night vision, G sensor, Sony sensor, so it's got a good camera in it, you know, that 1080p H.264 codec. And then on the back it's just a nice picture, so let's get it open and have a look. It's currently on Amazon for $69.99, so you get a user guide with it which might come in handy. English and other languages. The unit itself, it's a nice compact size, like a lens protector on the front of it if I get it off. So on the side it's almost like a tube. We have the screen on the back, and on the back we've only got two buttons, a little record button and a photo button, which I'm assuming means that if any one time you want to keep hold of a certain picture you can press it. I'm only assuming it at the moment. So that's something to do with infrared there, maybe some LEDs. Two holes there, might be for the fan. We have got some more buttons underneath. We've got a power, forward, back and M for menu. And on this side we've got a USB input, and somehow we've got a micro SD card which goes in here, which I'm going to have to look in the menu where you open it up. So when we get inside it, it's just like a rubber. Okay, so on the inside we've got a MIDI HDMI lead input, so you can put that straight into your TV. Got a hole there for a reset, and then we've got the hole there for the micro SD card. So what else we've got in the box? So we've got a USB lead. We've got this handy holder, sticks to your window, and it's got a permanent power fixing in it, so you can take this off when you're not using it. Clips on like so. So your power goes directly to that, so that can be flush up against the roof lining, and then when you want to take the camera out you just have to press this button and pull forward and the camera slides out. So that's quite a clever idea. And then you get a really long USB lead to a cigarette lighter adapter. Minute. Okay. So let's see whether we can get this powered up. There's a USB. So you can either power it from the top here, or you can power it directly into the side. It's obviously got a built-in battery, which will give you a little bit of time after the ignition's turned off. So let's plug that in. There. Okay. So I'm going to plug it into this, pretending this is your headrest, headboard. So this is now plugged in. This is on in your car, and then you slide the camera in, and it comes on straight away. So first things first, let's get a micro SD card in there. This is the memory card that I reformatted. Let's try that one. So you have to format the card. There you go. You have to format the card as a FAT32. Let's just go into the menu now. Okay, so this button here will. Let's take the screen protector off. Button on the back here, you can actually zoom in and out on pictures, as you can see there, and hold it and it'll zoom back out. So that's quite handy for taking pictures. That shows you all the different movies that have been taken. When I press the power, a little light comes up, which I'm assuming is for the night vision. It started recording it, and it stopped. There we go. Right, so now we're in the menu. So we've got resolution, and then we've got the languages. So let's go down to that. So I'm going to leave it a full HD. Got loop recording. Leave that to. Used it up and down on this one here. 5 minutes. That's the enter. HDR I'm going to leave alone. Motion detection, I'm going to have that on, which means that if someone knocks into your car, it automatically starts recording. Delay shutdown, I'm going to. Can't remember to push the right button. Delay shutdown, I'm going to have for 20 seconds. Audio G sensor set, medium, I'll leave it at that. Time lapse record. If you want to do a time lapse, resolution, so that's that. And then we go across to taking pictures. Let's round it off. Back on again. There we go. Right, so the M moves it across. So first thing I want to do is to format the card. Press the wrong button. Format SD card. Okay, so that's formatting that for me. Default setting, version, language, leave that to day and time. 6. That's the 6. The date wrong actually. Cover that. Done, and you can choose license number plate if you want to put your number plate down on it. You can have a stamp, date, auto power off, leave it 3 minutes, screensaver, off. Beep sound, frequency, just going to leave that on 50 Hz, exposure, leave that standard, you can adjust that obviously, and then version, and there's the serial version number. If you need a firmware upgrade, it's where you can tell if you've got the latest version. And that's it. Yep, so I mean the next thing to do really is going to be to stick it in the car and give it a test drive, see what it's like in the day, and then also see what it's like at night. So hopefully this video has been of some help to you.
It's like 50-60 quid a bottle, but I found it at Superdrug on offer.
Alright.
It was on offer for 28 quid. And then on that day that I went in Superdrug to look at it, they had an extra 20% off with your Superdrug card. Like just with your loyalty card, not you didn't.
Yeah.
If you didn't have a loyalty card, you didn't get it.
Result?
I know. So I paid like 22 quid for it when it's normally. You go in Aldridge, it's 60 quid for the same meters. I was like, I'm not paying that.
The East Coast Main Line due to trespassers on the railway at King's Cross.
Do you think his number plate's FY59 FBX by any chance?
Yeah.